everybody, and today we have another unboxing of Universal Yums. It is a special one though this month. It's not actually from a specific country per se. It has a bunch of different holiday goodies in it. So I'm excited to see what's all in it, where they're from, and so let's get opening. For those just joining our Universal Yums, it is a monthly subscription of a bunch of different goodies that get delivered each month from a different country. And we have been having a blast getting to try our way pretty much around the world. So it's been a very fun subscription box. So in every one, it usually comes with a scorecard, and normally it does tell us a little bit about the country on one side as well as our scorecard on the other. This obviously is not from a specific one, so it just talks about holiday adventures. And then it does come with like a little booklet that tells a little bit more about normally the country, but it usually has some sort of recipe in it, as well as a little bit more about each of the treats that are inside, and normally a sticker. So this one says, "I safely traveled the world this year." All right, so it looks like we have some garlic potato chips. They kind of look like Lay's. And looks like little cookies. Crispy spice cookies. So those are fun. And we go back to the land of Scotland for these ones. They are turkey and stuffing flavored potato chips. That sounds very intriguing. And then we got some popcorn. It's salted egg yolk flavor. Here we have a Pandoro cake with cocoa cream from Italy. So it looks like a puff cake. So I bet there's some sort of like cream in the middle. And then we have something from Switzerland. It looks like a little cookie, like an alpine nut cake. It looks like it has some sort of like honey in it. So that looks yummy. And then we have some salted caramel from the UK. I've heard of Bristow's before, so I'm excited to try that. And then also from Bristow's is some mocktail bonbons. I liked the bonbons from our UK box, so I'm excited to try those. And then from France, we have the French Taste cocoa powdered truffles. So that's gonna be yummy. Ooh. And then we have some mixed baklava. So we did get to try a little bit of baklava a couple boxes back, so I'm excited to try more kinds. And then we have some shortbread with powdered sugar topping. I like a good shortbread. They're always yummy. And then the last thing in the box are gingerbread with fruit filling, covered in dark chocolate. Those are gonna be good. So I'm excited to try all these different holiday treats. It definitely was around the world. So I'm excited to go back to some places that we have already been and to try out some new ones. And I hope that you guys have been liking these type of videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And we'd like to wish you a happy holidays this time of year. And we will catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.